There it is. When you can't solve the Rubik's Cube, eat it.
How to solve a Rubik's Cube. Black.
Ludo, t'es prêt?
Vas-y. Bah.
Y así es como los chinos hacen el cubo de Rubik.
Oh, motherfucker.
So I can solve a Rubik's Cube in like 5 minutes or so. It's really not that. Oh. Okay.
Hey dog, you need some help with that?
You couldn't do it.
Toss it over here. Got you, homie.
How speedcubers solve it. Done. How I solve it. I'm stuck.
Yeah, nigga. I'm still.
It's like you wanna